Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to install macOS Tahoe in VMware. This method works on both Intel and AMD processors and uses an OpenCore VMDK file to boot macOS Tahoe without making any changes to the VMX configuration file. I have separated this tutorial into multiple parts, so make sure to follow every step properly. Now let's begin. In the first part, we will download and install all the required files. All the download links are available in the video description. Here is the list of files we need. First, download the VMware Workstation Pro installer file. Open this URL and download the installer. Next, download the macOS Unlocker, which allows the macOS guest operating system to work in VMware. After that, download the macOS ISO file required for installation. And finally, download the OpenCore boot VMDK file. One important thing to note is that you must download the file according to the number of cores you plan to assign to your virtual machine. In this video, I will download the 4-core VMDK file. After downloading all the files, we will start installing VMware Workstation Pro. Double-click the installer file and complete the installation process. After installation, extract the Mac OS Unlocker zip file. Once extracted, locate the win-install file. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You will see some commands running automatically. When the process finishes, the command prompt will close on its own. This means the first part is completed. In the second part,
we will create a new Mac OS virtual machine and attach the OpenCore boot VMDK and Mac OS ISO. Open VMware Workstation Pro and click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical and click Next. Under Install a disk image, click Browse. Choose the Mac OS Tahoe ISO file you downloaded and click Next. Under Guest Operating System, select Apple Mac OS. Under Version, select Mac OS 26 and click Next. Now enter the virtual machine name and location, then click Next. Under Disk Capacity, select Store as a single file and click Next. Your virtual machine is now created. Next, click Edit this virtual machine settings. Go to Processors and set the number of processors according to the OpenCore boot VMDK file you downloaded. Since I downloaded the 4-core file, I will set it to 4 cores.
Now select Hard Disk and click Advance. Set the node to SATA 3 and click OK. Leave other settings as default and click Add. Select Hard Disk and click Next. Choose SATA and click Next. Select Use an existing virtual hard disk and click Next. Click Browse and select the 4-core OpenCore boot VMDK file. Click Open. Click Finish. Select Keep Existing Format. After adding the disk, click Advanced and confirm it is set to SATA 0. Click OK. This completes the second part. In the third part, we will power on the Mac OS Tahoe virtual machine and complete the installation. Click Power on this virtual machine and wait. After booting, the OpenCore boot menu will appear. Click Install Mac OS Tahoe and wait. Soon you will see the language selection screen. Choose your language and click Next. Under Mac OS Recovery, click Disk Utility. Select VMware Virtual SATA Hard Drive Media and click Erase. Enter a name for the drive. Set format to APFS and scheme to GUID partition. Click Erase. After completion, close Disk Utility. Click Install Mac OS Tahoe and click Continue. Accept the terms and conditions. Select the hard drive you created and continue. The installation will take some time. It may take around 25 minutes, and will restart multiple times. After that, the Mac OS welcome screen will appear. Continue following the standard installation steps shown on screen. During installation, mouse and keyboard may lag. This is normal. After installation completes, performance improves. After finishing setup, you may see a white screen.
Simply restart the virtual machine.
This completes Part 3. In Part 4, we will install VMware tools and sign in with Apple account. Once the desktop appears, we will install VMware tools. Open any browser on Windows and search Darwin. Open the official Broadcom link. Download darwin.iso and save it. Go back to VMware. Click VM in the top menu. Select Removable Devices. Click CD/DVD and open Settings. Click Add. Select CD/DVD and click Finish. Click Browse and attach the darwin.iso file. Restart the virtual machine. After restart, VMware tools will appear on desktop. Double-click and start installation. If you see a warning, click Open System Settings. Click Allow where VMware services were blocked. Close Settings and install VMware tools again.
Installation will complete. Click Restart. After restart, screen resolution will adjust automatically. VMware tools are now installed successfully. Now open System Settings. Click Sign in with your Apple account. Enter your Apple account details and log in. That's it. Mac OS Tahoe is now successfully installed on VMware for both Intel and AMD processors. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.